Good morning children. Today we'll learn about the solid figures. Okay. In the last class we have learnt about square, rectangle, triangle, circle and oval. Yes. These are the 2D shapes. 2D means two-dimensional shapes. Yes. And solid figures are three-dimensional figures. Okay. Three-dimensional figures mean children, these contain faces, edges and vertices. Okay. In solid figures children, cube, cuboid, sphere, cylinder and cone will come. Okay. And in the two-dimensional figures, that is plane figures, are square, rectangle, triangle, circle and oval. These are two-dimensional plane figures and these are the three-dimensional solid figures. Okay. Let's study about these one by one. Okay. Children, in the plane figures, this is triangle. Yes, this is a plane figure, two-dimensional figure. Yes, in two-dimensional figures we have learned about edges and vertices. Yes, the lines, these lines are called as edges. Yes, and vertices means where two lines join, that point is called vertices. Yes, this is one vertex, that is one vertex, this is one vertex and this one is the one vertex. Yes, and in the solid figures, these are the three-dimensional figures. Yes, here in these vertices, edges and faces will come. Okay, these are called the faces. Okay, the flat surface of solid figures are called as faces. Okay, see, these are called as faces. Yes, and where two lines join, this point is called as vertex. Yes, and these lines are called as edges. Yes, these lines are called as edges. These points where two lines join are called as vertex, and the surface, flat surface of solid figures are called as faces. Okay, these are the faces, this is vertex and these are the edges. These lines are the edges. Okay, children, this is a cube now. Now we have to find out that how many faces it has, vertices it has and edges it has. Okay, let's count the faces first. Okay, see children, the flat surface of solid figure, this is cube. Yes, count the faces now. This is 1. Yes, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, this is 3, 4, 5 and 6. Yes, 4 sides and up and down. So total it has 6 faces. Cube has 6 faces. Okay, cube has 6 faces. Now let's count the edges. Edges means the lines, these lines. Yes, count the edges. 1, 2, 3, 4. These are 4 edges and in the downside 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here 8. This is 9, 10, 11 and 12. Okay. Edges are 12. The lines, these lines are 12. See here 1, 2, 3, 4. In the upper part 4 edges and in the down part here 4 edges. 4 plus 4, 8. And this side are 1, 2, 3, 4. 8 plus 4, 12. Yes. So it has 12 edges. Now count the vertices. The points where two lines join. 1. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. These are 4 and in the downside 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, it has 8 vertices. So it is a cube, children. Yes, and all the 4 sides of cube are same in length. Yes, it has 6 faces, 12 edges and 8 vertices. Okay, now we'll see about cuboid. Okay, see children, this is a cuboid. Okay, now in this we need to find out the faces, edges and vertices. Okay, how many faces it has, vertices it has and about the edges. Okay, let's count the faces first. Count the faces, the flat surfaces. This is 1, 2, 3 and down one 4. Yes, and this is 5 and 6. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. It has 6 faces. Cuboid also has 6 faces. Okay, cuboid has 6 faces. And now count the edges. Edges means lines. Okay, count the edges. 1 line, 2, 3, 4 lines. Yes, these are the 4 lines. Then here 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, 8 and the side 4 lines 9, 10, 11 and 12. Okay. Okay, now let's count the edges, these lines. Okay, this is 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, in the upper part 4 edges. Now 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, here 4, 8 and this side 4. 9, 10, 11, 12. Total how many edges, children? It also has 12 edges. Cuboid also has 12 edges. Okay, and now we'll count the vertices. Vertices means these points 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It has 8 vertices. Yes, see here, children, cube has 6 faces and cuboid also has 6 faces, and both have 12 edges and 8 vertices. Yes, but the difference between cube and cuboid is, in cube the length, that is edges, are of all the edges are of same length. Okay, but in the cuboid the edges are of not same length. The opposite side edges are of same length. Okay, this is cube and this is cuboid. Okay, now we'll see about the sphere. Children, this is the sphere. Okay, here ball. Yes, ball is example for this sphere, and our earth is also example for this sphere. Okay, see here, children, can you see here any faces, edges and vertices here? Any points on this sphere? No. Sphere has no vertices and no edges. It has only curved face. This face is curved face. It has only curved face. The face is not flat also. In sphere only curved face is present. Okay, you can see this curved face. Yes, it is curved all the side. Yes, sphere has no vertex and no edges, only it has one curved surface. Okay, now we'll see about the cylinder. See, children, this is the example for cylinder. Okay, this is the cylinder. Okay, see here, children, for cylinder it has no edges and vertices. Can you see the edges here? Lines. Can you see the points in this? That is vertices. No. In cylinder there are no vertices and no edges are present. Okay, it has only flat surface and curved surface. Okay, see, children, this is one face. Yes, and this is one face. This is 1 and 2. It has 2 flat surfaces. These are flat. Yes, these are flat surfaces, and cylinder has 2 flat surfaces, and this one is curved surface. This one is the curved surface. Yes, it has 2 flat surfaces and 1 curved surface. Okay, and children, this is cone. Yes, this is cone. It has 1 vertex. You can see the point here. Yes, it has 1 vertex and 1 flat surface, and that is face. It has 1 flat face and 1 curved face. Okay, cone has 1 vertex, 1 flat face and 1 curved face. Okay, so children, this is cube, this is cuboid, this is sphere, this is cylinder, and this is cone. Okay, now we'll move to exercise. Okay, in the next exercise, in the next page, they have given one exercise here. Observe these solid figures. Write the number of faces, edges and vertices here. I will explain about the cube. Remaining all you all will find out. Okay, see, this is cube. Yes, write down here cube. Okay, how many flat surfaces it has, children? It has 6 flat surfaces. Yes, these are flat surfaces. Yes, 1 2 3 4 5 6. It has 6 flat surfaces. And curved surfaces, it has no curved surfaces, so write here 0. And edges, edges means lines. How many lines it has? 12. It has 12 edges. And vertices means the points. It has 8 vertices. Okay, cube has 6 flat surfaces, 0 curved surfaces, 12 edges and 8 vertices. Okay, remaining all you will solve, children. Okay, you need to find the flat surfaces, curved surfaces, edges, vertices of cuboid, sphere, cylinder and cone. Okay, and see next exercise. Identify the shapes with the clues given. Name the figures. Okay, some clues they have given here, children. We need to find out the which shape it is. We need to find out which shape it is. Okay, A1 is I have only one curved surface. I am a dash. Which solid figure has only one curved surface, children? It has only one curved surface. It is sphere. Sphere has only one curved surface. Yes, it do not have vertex and edges also, and it do not have flat faces also. So write here sphere. Sphere has only one curved surface. Okay, next one is I have one vertex. I am a. Which figure has only one vertex, children? Cone has only one vertex. Yes, cone has one vertex, one flat surface and one curved surface. Yes, C1 is I have 6 square faces. I am a. I have 6 square faces. 6 square faces means, children, all the 6 faces and all the faces should be square. Square means, children, all the faces length should be, the line length should be equal in length. That figure is your cube. Yes, I have 6 square faces. I am a cube. D1 is I have 2 flat circular faces and one curved surface. I have 2 flat circular faces. 2 flat circular faces and one curved surface. Which solid figure has, children? Cylinder. Yes, it has 2 flat surfaces and one curved surface. It has no it has no edges and vertices. So it is cylinder. Okay, now last one is I have one flat circular face and one curved surface. I have one flat circular face and one curved surface. I am a dash. See, children, which figure has one flat circular face and one curved face? It is cone. Yes, cone has one vertex, one circular face and one flat face. Okay, see, children, now this exercise you will solve and send me. Okay, write the answers and send. Okay, thank you.